In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple images in Adobe Express. We'll use the Collage Maker to bring your photos together in a clean, organized layout, then fine-tune the look so everything feels cohesive and intentional. Whether you're making a quick mood board, a side-by-side comparison, or a gallery for social, this process is straightforward and flexible. Start by opening Adobe Express. On the home page, choose Photo to focus on image tools. In the Photo Quick Actions area, select Collage Maker. This is where you'll combine your pictures into a single design. It's a dedicated space with ready-made grids and smart controls that save time and keep your layout balanced. Inside the Collage Maker, click Upload Images and select all the photos you want to merge. You can choose multiple files at once, so grab everything you plan to use. If your images vary in size or orientation, that's fine. Adobe Express will place them into the grid and you can refine the fit. For the best results, start with clear, high-resolution images so your final collage looks crisp. Once your photos are in, pick a layout or grid that matches your vision. You'll see options with different numbers of cells and arrangements. Try a few to see how your images flow together. If you're not sure which one works best, use the Shuffle option to quickly sample variations. It's a fast way to discover a layout that highlights your images without manual rearranging. After choosing a layout, customize the collage to make it yours. You can resize each image within its cell by dragging to reposition or zoom in to focus on the most important part of the picture. If you decide a photo isn't needed, delete it from its slot to keep the collage cleaner and more focused. The design will adapt to the change, helping maintain balance. Adjust the spacing and borders between images to refine the overall feel. Depending on the template, you can tighten the gaps for a seamless look or increase spacing to give each photo breathing room. Thin borders often feel modern, while thicker ones can add a bold, graphic vibe. Finally, enhance your collage with text, icons, or other design elements layered on top. Add a short title, a date, or a brief label to clarify what viewers are seeing. Keep text legible and avoid covering key parts of your images. Simple icons can add personality without clutter. That's it. Your images are now merged into a polished collage using Adobe Express, ready to use wherever you need it.